Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School, Sholapur. I am Vallavi Gaikwad and today I am going to teach second standard maths subject. So children, all of you open your canopies please. Yes, in these canopies we are having 4 subjects: English, Maths, EVS and GK. So today I am going to take lesson number 1, 2-digit number. Lesson number 1, 2-digit numbers. So children, can you tell me what is this? 43. Yes, what is this? 43. Yes, 43. This is 1 digit or 2 digit? Yes, very good. This is 2-digit number. Now, if I ask you to write in tens and ones, how you will write? Generally in UKG and first standard, you are studying that tens and units means 4 you will write in tens and 3 you will write in ones. So, now what I am going to do, I am going to explain the basic thing of tens and units. So, in a corner 11, tens, ones, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. So, whenever you want to start, you will start with 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, I will prepare a chart, tens, ones, okay. Now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, tens. Then this is 1. Then next tens, ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1, 2. Now see, this is on a stick there are 10 dots, that is 1 tens, and this is 1 means 10 plus 1 is 11. This is called 11, and here on this stick there are 10 dots and there are 2 dots. So, this is 1 10 and 10 plus 2 12. Okay, this is 12. So, you can write here that 10 ones plus 1 is 10 plus 10 is 11. So, 10, this is 10 ones and 2 ones. So, this is 12. In this way, you can do it in a simple way. So, further, so in a simple method, I will tell you that you can draw a circle. In this circle, you can draw 10 boxes. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, these are in each circle there are 10 boxes. So, this is 10 and this is 10. 10 and 10 is equals to 20. Okay. 10 plus 10 is 20. Now, in second circle we will show again 3 circles means, and each circle we will show 10 flowers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, these are 10 flowers. In this also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now first we have seen in first circle, that is these two circles are having 10 boxes, that is 10 plus 10 is 20. Now here you will see in this circle there are 10, in each circle there are 10 flowers. So 10, 10, 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Okay. In this way you can see how we are going to do the tens and ones. Now see here in this box 3 tens we want to take, count the tens and ones and write the number. From here you want to count the tens and ones. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. This is one box. Then this is second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is second and this is third box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now these three boxes, in each box there are 10 boxes. So 3 tens and here is individual box. There is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this is 3. So 3 tens, these 3 are there and in this all 3 there are 10 boxes. So 3 tens and 3 ones. Here are individual boxes. In this box there are 10 boxes and in this there are individual 3 boxes. So 3 tens, 3 and 3 ones is equals to 33. In this way you can solve this. This is one example. Again another example I can tell you. 3 tens and 6 ones, you can do this. Okay. Then in this way again you can do next 4 boxes of otherwise bundles. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a bundle of 10 sticks. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is bundle of second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now this is and your single sticks. Now in each bundle there are 10 sticks. Okay. In each bundle, how many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 tens and 3 ones is equals to 43. These individual are 3 and these are 4. So you can write 4 tens and 3 ones. Yes, have you understood this much, children? Yes, then now after this we shall start the exercise number 1. So all of you take your pencils in your hand and try to solve the exercise number 1. See here now. First exercise, first one, the sum is given. Complete these using tens and ones to help. Now first is given 1 10 and 3 ones is equals to 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay. Then in next you can see second one 1 tens. Here what you will do? Here you will write, what you will write? Yes, yes, 1, 8, 18, 10 plus 8, that is 18. I can write. So, you will write in this way. Second one is 10 plus 8 is equals to 18. Okay, in this way, second example, and that is equals to 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. In this way, you can write 18. Then third example, that is, third one is 2 tens and 5 ones, that is 20 plus 5 is equals to 25. So, spelling 25. In this way, you are going to solve. Then fourth one, next is fourth one, 3 tens and 7 ones, that is 30 plus 7 is equals to 37 is equals to 37. Okay, in this way you can solve this exercise. Okay, now children, remaining exercise you can solve it as for homework. So, we shall turn to the next topic, that is the abacus. Now, see here, in this abacus, in this you can see that here you can also show tens and ones on a abacus. Now, see here, 1 bit in the stick of tens and 3 bits in the stick of ones. Now, here 1 tens and 3 ones is there. 1 tens and 3 ones, that is 13. The simple method is there. You can show, you can draw it on the abacus also. Now, see here how to show on abacus. Now, see here the abacus. This is the abacus. In this you can show tens and ones. Now, how you will show your tens and ones? How you will show your tens and ones? Now, you want to show 1 10 and 3 ones. 1 10 and 3 ones. That is 13. In this you want to show. Now, tens. 1 tens means you will show here 1 bit. Okay. Then 3 ones means here you will show 1, 2, 3. 3 ones you will show. Okay. Then next also, in this way only you can do. Tens, ones. Then you will show. Now, in second it is 20. 2 tens and 1 0 ones. Okay. 3 tens and 0 ones. Now, 2 tens and 0 ones. Now, in this abacus you want to show these 2 tens. How you will show these 2 tens? 1, 2 and 0 ones, means 0 means nothing is there. Ones there is nothing. So, you will not do anything, only you will show the tens value, that is 2 tens and 0 is, that is 20. Okay. Now, this we have done on the abacus. Now, we shall solve the exercise number 2. Now, see here, write the number shown in the abacus. Now, first one is done for you. See here, first, here you can count 1, 2, 2 tens and ones is 1. So, it will come 21. Now, in next, we will see this. In next, how many tens are there? Count, children. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There are 5 tens and in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. There are 7. So, in second what you will do? Tens, ones. You will count that on abacus. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, your answer will be 27. Sorry, your answer is 57. Okay, in this way you can solve. Then take the third example, that is first one. Count these bits 1, 2, 3, 4. So, tens are 4 and ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 4 and 6. In third example, tens and ones. So, you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. In this way, then you will count. Then 4 tens and 7 ones, that is 47. Okay. In this way, we can solve the examples. So, remaining whatever is remaining 3, you will solve it as for homework. Now, you see exercise 2, second question. Draw bits on the abacus to show the number. Now, in first exercise what we saw, that bits were given, we want to count the bits and we want to write the numbers. But in second they have given the numbers and you want to show the tens and ones. Now, see here how you will do the second question, second exercise, second question. They have given only the numbers and you want to show the bits. Now, see here second one, which is the number 47. Okay, 47. Then how you will show this 47? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way, you are going to solve this question. Second exercise, second question. Then second, here you can write tens and ones. So, next is tens, ones. Now, second one is what? 28. Now, how you will show here? Yes, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Here are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way, you are going to solve this both. So, remaining whatever exercise is there, you can solve it as homework. Now, see here. How many tens are there in these numbers? Okay. Now see, there are 29, 2 tens, there are 2 tens and 9 ones, that is called 2 tens, 29. Then in the second one, how many tens? 1 tens. First they had told only to show the tens. Now you want to show only tens. In this exercise, what you will do? You will show only tens. Okay, how many tens are there in this? Only 2 tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. 4, 5, 9. Now you can see there is given 29. So, in this how many tens are there? They have told only draw only how many tens are there in this number. So, how many tens are there? Only 2 tens. Got it? In this way you are going to solve. Then next is pencils. There is what? Pencil. How many tens are there and how many ones? So, you want to tell how many tens are there. There is only one bundle of 10 pencils. Okay. In this all 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is only one bundle of pencils, and that single are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is a, so how you will tell? 1 tens. Only one bundle of stick is there, so you will write 1 tens, and this is another, that is individual. So in this way you can solve the remaining exercise. Now turn the page. Yes, now see here, write these numbers as tens and ones. Now you want to write the numbers in tens and ones. Now how you will write the numbers? Now first one is done for you, that is 4 tens and 3 ones. Okay. Then second one, what you will do here? 21 tens and 1 ones. So first one is done. First is what? 43. So 4 tens and 3 ones. In this way you will write. Then second B. How you will write B? 25 is given. So you will see 2 tens and 5 ones. Okay, 2 tens and 5 ones. In this way you will write. Then third, 21, that is 2 tens and 1 ones. Okay, in this way you can solve the remaining sums also at home. Otherwise, see D1, what is D? 36. 3 tens and 6 ones. Now while solving so many examples of tens and ones, everyone has understood how to do and how to solve. Okay. In this way you are going to solve the exercise in a simple and basic manner I have shown. So every day you should solve at least 5 sums at home, doing this textbook also, and another more extra examples also you can solve. Now we shall start the next topic, that is place value. Now see here, in this place value, what we will do? Look at the numerals on the abacus. Now see here, place value. What is this place value? You are going to look the numbers on the abacus. The place value of 9 in 9 is 9 ones. Okay, now see here, in the abacus they have shown tens and ones. The place value, what is the place value? Place value. In this you can show the on abacus the place value of 9. Now the place value of 9 in 9s, it is 9 ones, or you can add here bits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are 9. So you want to show the place value of 9. Then what you will do? The place value of 9 in 9 is 9 only, or 9 ones, or 9 only. It is 9 in 9 is 9 ones or 9 only. Then how you will show? Now in 35. Now in this how you will show the place value? We know that 35 in 3 tens and 5 is ones. So the 3 in 3 is 3 tens. We know this, this is tens and this is ones. Okay, 3 is ones, 3 is tens and 5 is ones. So, the 3 in 35 means, what is the 3? What you will call the place value of 3? Means 3 tens. Okay, 3 means 3 tens. Then the 5 in 5. The 5 in 35 means 5 ones. So, the place value of 3 in 35 is the place value of 3. 3 in 35 is tens or 30. Is tens or 30. Okay, the place value of 3 in 35 is tens or 30. Then the place value of 5 in 35 is the place value of 35 in 5 in 35 is 5 ones or 5. It is 5 ones or 5. In this way, you can see the place value, how it is done. 35, 3 in 35 means 3 tens. The 5 in 35 means 5 ones. So, in this way children, you can solve the exercise 4. You can do the place value of 3. The place value of 3 in 35 means 3 tens. There 5 in 35 means 5 ones. So, first we have seen that 3 tens, 5 ones. The place value of 3 in 35 is 3 tens or 30. In this you can see here in the abacus they have shown that tens and ones. Then in tens, how much? There 35, how it is written? In first tens there are 3 tens and in 5 ones is there. So, the place value of 3 in 35 is 3 tens or 30 and the place value of 5 in 35 is 5 ones or 5. Now, in this way you can solve the exercise 4. Now, see here, write the place value of 4. Okay. Now, only 2 examples I will show, then remaining you can solve it as a homework. Now, see here, first example 4, they have shown 4, write the place value of, then 4 in this abacus. In this abacus, what you want to do? You want to show, now see here, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 submits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is 64. Now, you want to show only the place value of 4. 4 means what it is here? 4 means 1. So, 4 ones, the place value will be 4 ones or 4, only 4. In this way, you can show the place value of 4. They have asked only the place value of 4. They have not asked the place value of 6. You want to show only 4 means this side ones, 4 ones or 4. In this way you can solve. Then second, 9 in this abacus. 9 in this abacus. You can show the place value of 9. Okay. Then first 9 means this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then 9 tens or 9. You want to show only 9. So, 9 tens or only 90. Okay. 9 tens or so. Today we will stop here only, students. Whatever you have studied, how you have studied 2-digit numbers, tens and ones, you solve the examples. Whatever examples are given for homework, you solve by the time. In next chapter we will go further. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Stay home. Thank you.